Hey y'all, today we are doing Bengali Bhaja Masala. These are the ingredients. Take a screenshot for future reference. On a hot iron griddle, take 2 dried bay leaf and 1 dried red chili. Take 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds and 4 to 5 methi or fenugreek seeds. Now slowly roast these spices till you have a nice golden brown color on a medium flame. And when the spices start releasing flavors, take the roasted spices in a blender jar and let them cool down and then grind to a fine powder. So Bhaja Masala is used as a topping for a multiple of dishes. You can use them on Shorbots, Lassis, Alur Dom and a whole lot of recipes. Store Bhaja Masala in an airtight container and keep with the rest of your spices for a long time. If you like this recipe, then like, share and subscribe to our channel for more everyday recipes.